Let's have some fun with shapes. What will these shapes make? Let's see. What did we make? Oh, you guessed it. Nice job. A flower, and it took 6 shapes. It took triangles, a square, and a circle. Look at our wooden puzzle. Let's sort and stack our shapes. Let's start over here. How many pegs do we have? We have 1. What shape has 1 hole to go on our 1 peg? Do you see it? That's right, over here. And what shape is this? A circle. And there's only 1 hole in it. That's right. What color is this? Red. On it goes. Perfect match. How many pegs do we have now? 1, 2. What shape has only 2 holes to go on our 2 pegs? You see it over here? Great finding. And what color is this one? That's right, blue. And how many sides does it have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 2 long sides and 2 shorter sides. This is a shape we call rectangle. Perfect match. Let's take a closer look at this one. How many? 1, 2, 3. Which shape has 3 holes? Great finding, learners. This one. And how many sides does it have? 1, 2, 3. Color? Yellow. This shape is called triangle. Can you say it with me? Triangle. Now how many pegs do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's our last shape. What color? Green. And look, this one has 4 sides too, but they're all the same. So that means it's a square. Perfect fit. Let's look at our next round of shapes. This time I'm going to say the shape name, and I want you to help me find it. I'm looking for an orange circle. Do you see it? There it is. And look, it needs to go on top of our red circle right here. We stacked it. Now I'm looking for a red triangle. That's right, here it is. On top of our yellow triangle. We stacked it. Now I need a green rectangle. Can you see it? Nice finding. Green rectangle. And where's our purple square? There it is. Stacked it on our green one. Now let's look at our next round of shapes. Whoa. Who's coming? Who is that? Oh my goodness, is that a Spider-Man Tyrannosaurus? What's he doing here with our shapes? I think he has more shapes to bring us. Oh, whoa, there he goes. And there are more shapes. Thank you, Mr. T-Rex. We'll get to sorting. Let's see, I'm not going to say the color this time, just the shape. See if you can remember the shape names. I need help finding a circle. Where's the circle? You're right, here it is. And what color is it? That's right, yellow. And we'll stack it here. Ooh, we're building a nice stack of circles. Now I'm looking for a triangle. Can you find the triangle? Where is it? Nice job. Here it is. What color? Green. All right. A nice stack of triangles. Now I need a square. Can you find a square? That's right, this one. Color? Orange. Nice stack of squares. Now I need a rectangle. That's right, it's the last one left, but still. What color? Purple. Nice stacking. Okay, learners, can you help me find the square? Where's the square? Great job, it's right here. And what color is this square? It's red. And how many sides does the square have? 4. Great job. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It has 4 sides. Can you find the triangle? Right on. Here it is. And what about our circle? Great job. And what color is this? Green. And our triangle was blue. And what's this one? A rectangle. Nice job. What color is our rectangle? Orange. Right on, learners. Let's look at our next round of shapes. Oh wow, I hear someone else coming. Oh, look. It's a little baby unicorn. So cute. Look at her blue hair. Oh, wow. She has stars in her eyes. And she has a little blankie. Are you here to bring us more shapes? Oh, look what's behind her blankie. She did bring us more shapes. Thank you, baby unicorn. Let's start sorting. Let's see. I'm looking for a yellow rectangle. Where is it? That's right. Nice finding. Whoa, our stack is getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Where is a purple circle? There's 2 purple shapes. Look closely. Great guessing. Oh my goodness. Stacking, stacking, stacking. Woofda. That's a big stack of circles. Now I need a blue square. Where's our blue square? That's right. Great job. How many do we have now? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 squares. That's a lot. Who knows this last shape? That's right, a triangle. A triangle. And what color was that shape? Purple. Awesome. And how many sides does a triangle have? 1, 2, 3. Do you think we have 5 triangles stacked here too? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We do. Let's look at our next round of shapes. It's our last one. Okay, I'll hold up the shape and you help me say what it is. Square. And what color? Yellow. Where does it go on our puzzle? That's right, here. Nice. Triangle. You did it. What color is our triangle? Orange. And where does it go on our puzzle? Oh yeah, we had to flip that upside down to fit. Oh. There we go. You said it, rectangle. What color? Red. And where does it go on our puzzle? Perfect fit. Nice job. Shape? Circle. Color? Blue. Where does it go on our puzzle? Right on, you did it. And how many shapes do we have in all after we were all done stacking and sorting? We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We had 6 shapes. We had 6 circles. We had 6 triangles. We had 6 squares. And we had 6 rectangles. Okay, learners, we're gonna make some cool designs with these shapes. Are you ready to help me? Awesome, let's get started. Can you guess what this is? What does it look like to you? I see circles, rectangles, and triangles, but it makes something. Can you guess it? That's right, it makes a fish. It had 1, 2 triangles, 1 rectangle, and 1 and 2 circles. Can you help me make a present? What shapes would we need to make a present? We need squares and we need triangles. How many squares do we need? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many triangles do we need? 1, 2. Well, let's get those shapes. Whoa, it worked. Let's get building. Awesome present. Nice job. What did we make this time? An airplane. Whoa, we needed lots of shapes for that one. Let's see how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. We needed triangles, squares, and rectangles. Great building.